Ha ha ha! I will destroy you, Ninja Cat. Ha! Uh, 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 uh. Ugh. Like, I accidentally threw my Ninja Star at Psycho Dog, and I think he's hurt. What do? I mean, like, giant cat got on the case, but still, he could be seriously injured. Love Cat, we have an incident. Get your loaf in here. Um, so, like, your crush over here. Like, he accidentally hit Psycho Dog. It's true. I hurt him. I'm gonna go tell my supervisor. It's Ninja Cat. Love her. She is so cringe. Like, OMG. Like, she's always like, OMG, I love Ninja Cat so much. Like, OMG, shut up. We don't care. Shoot. Get out of here. Get out of here. No, run. Okay, so how do cats get all of the attention and we don't? Us dogs. Like, it is just blah. Ugh. There's no difference, just that us dogs are more lovable than those cats. So, like, my owner does not love me anymore. She has a cat now. And, like, I can't even pay attention. It's been 1 hour. OMG. Per night. Well, I'm gonna die. I need to go warn my boss. Wait, who's my boss? It's Psycho Dog. Boss! What? What are you doing? I'm falling. Ow. Yeah, it's almost lunchtime, and you better get out of your box, cause Love Cat, they are really concerned about you. So, get out of your box. You're concerning her. Whatever. And, really? I am meditating. I must calm. And is that food? I smell food. And then tomorrow we'll be up. Get happy day. Shut the music off. No. Get away. Ah! Shoot. That was Love Cat. Go. Run. Get back here. Ninja Cat pilot by Avimation. Ninja Cat pilot by Avimation. Should I? Bye.